Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to upgrade or downgrade Windows without deleting the data or without formatting. Let's say I have a Windows Pro installed or a Home installed. I can upgrade to Pro or Home to Pro, Pro to Home without even formatting the disk, right? Because if we try to install using a setup, if Home is installed, Windows will only allow Home to be installed, not Pro. So here I have Pro is installed, right? Windows 11 Pro. I'm going to show you how we can move to Home without deleting our without formatting our data. And same goes for if you have Home installed, you want to move to Pro without deleting the data, you can still do it. So here I have ISO installed. ISO, all the ISOs are multi-version, so they have all education, Home, Pro, Enterprise, everything installed inside. So here if I click setup, so let me make it to 2 notch right now. Next. Okay, so it will check my PC. Okay, so we accept. Here I have Pro installed, right? So I want to upgrade my Windows without going into the boot menu and formatting the drive, right? So using direct setup, there you go. It will install Windows 11 Pro only and keep my personal files. Let's say I have Home, I want to upgrade to Pro, I have a Pro, I want to downgrade to Home or Enterprise, etc., right? So here I'm going to show you what you need to do. So let's, in this example, I will move my Pro to Home. So the Windows installer is not allowing me to move to the Home. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to extract the setup. Let's create a new folder here, Win11. Okay, let's extract the setup. I would suggest you, rather than extracting the setup, you can kind of also edit the ISO using very good tools like Diamond tools, alcohol 120, ultra ISO, power ISO. I will write it down for you. I personally prefer Diamond tools. It's the best tool in the market. Diamond tools ultra, it's very best. And you can use alcohol or ultra ISO is also very good. You can just create the ISO install rather than extracting and creating ISO, right? They are very good tools to create ISO as well. Anyway, what I'm gonna do is right now I'm gonna go to, let me eject this. Okay, I'm gonna go here, and in sources, there is so many folders and the setup, but what we are looking for is the sources folder. Okay, so in, okay, now in the setup, go to the sources folder. Okay, uh, but before going there we need a product keys. Okay, so you can search Windows product keys GitHub. You will find so many searches. Just go here, so we can find all the generic keys. So now if we go to regedit, we can even check which key is actually installed in our system, kind of a generic key. So here we go to computer slash, okay, local machine software, Microsoft Windows NT current version software protection platform. Here you can see the backup product key. This is the key we have here, kind of a generic key. So if I control F and check, this key is also valid for Windows 11 Pro and Windows 10 Pro. Okay, now what we have to do is first we have to change this key to another version. So let's say whatever you want to install, you have to change this key to that key. So Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into sources folder, create new two text files. So go to new, create two text files. There you go. So now the first file I will rename it to ei.cfg configuration, and the second file I will pid text. Okay, this first file needs to be .cfg extension, not the text. Okay, so the first is ei.cfg, second is pid.text. So I will open this in notepad because we need to edit those. Okay, edit with the notepad plus. Okay, so now we will copy the key which we need to upgrade or downgrade. So I'm use or want to downgrade to home, so I copied the key, the generic keys, and put PID value and copy it here. Save the file, and in this addition ID, if you're changing from home to professional, you put professional, but I'm going from pro to home. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put home in addition ID. Keep the channel retail. Okay, and save those files. That's it. So this key is home key, and then in configuration we put addition ID as a home. Okay, not the professional. We are not going from home to pro. In this example I'm going from pro to home without deleting or formatting the disk. Okay, now when I run the setup, change house setup, not right now, next. Okay, accept the terms, keep personal files because we are downgrading, so it won't keep the apps. If you're upgrading from home to pro, it will does keep the app, so we can only keep personal files. Yes, so there you go. You see, now I can install Windows 11 home by passing the pro. Because I have pro installed, it will only allow me to install pro. So now even I have pro installed, I can downgrade to home just by pushing two files in the sources. So as you can see, I have pro installed, right? But it is now allowing me to install home. So now you can install directly from here, or you can create the new ISO. You can also update the ISO using the tools I told you, daemon tools and stuff, or you can create a bootable ISO using a Rufus, or create a USB using a tool like ISO Buster, etc. Hope you like it. See you in the next video. Have a good one.